Sticky Stories. Hi, this is Molly and she loves gardening with her mom. We can see so many indoor plants in her house. And Molly and her friends love to watch Mickey and Minnie Mouse cartoons. One day, Molly went shopping with her mother. They went to buy groceries in the nearby market. First, they bought some milk. And then a few yummy mangoes, Molly's favorite summer fruit. Now Mom can make tasty mango shake. Then on the way they saw a monkey swinging from a tree. And the monkey saw the yummy mangoes. So he politely asked for one. "Here you go," Molly said, and gave him one big mango. The monkey was so happy and thankful. By the time they were back home, it was night already and the moon was up in the sky. Molly enjoyed shopping with her mom. Don't you too? And the next day, in Molly's outdoor garden, so many colorful baby mushrooms sprouted out and they made a familiar shape. Can you guess which one? Yes, the letter M. This is the uppercase M and this is the lowercase m. M says M is for mother, mango, milk, market, moon. So today we learnt about the letter M, its sounds and few words beginning with the letter M. Bye bye.